Whose house are we going to?
We're going to the baker's house.
Iowa. No looker.
Beautiful. We've made it to the baker's house.
Oh, B-roll. Oh, we did not. Oh, he's putting it in.
Wow. Watch this. Can I say a little bit of a mariner myself? Ready.
We are on the water. We are moving forward, onward to the beach. It is, yeah.
We're in the middle of nowhere without food or water.
Ah, food, water.
No.
No one taught him how to use a paddle, and he's got me pretty good.
I feel like the goal was accomplished here.
Yeah.
We got to the other side of the river.
We did make it to the other side of the river.
Mostly dry.
I mean, not really. We've stuck up on a turtle. He's pushing us. Lord, you gotta turn the canoe. Oh, can't believe you.
If I come up with a turtle right now, just know
He came up with the turtle. He came up with the turtle. I'm trying to like scoot up closer to you and I realize. Ooh. One has a turtle. What are you doing? We've got a turtle. Okay, we'll leave him right there.
We'll leave him right there. All right, where do we want to go next?
How am I actually supposed to do this?
Lord have mercy.
It's a rock. Very slippery rock.
Civilization.
Someone lived here. Must have been from the natives. Don't disturb the water. Leave the water as you saw it. Why are you pulling it?
Because I thought we were gonna fall over.
No, we're not.
Where's our turtle?
Turtle, no. I'm trying to get us away, but I'm trying to keep us close. Oh, she's great. Well, we're turtling. Oh, turtle, no! Turtle, no! Come back! Oh, bigger stake. We've upgraded. Oh, we've downgraded. You were stepping on your fishing pole. Yeah, it's all good. You should turn me around. Just put it under a rock. Okay. You're swimming for it.
There's a.
We're on an exploration.
We are. We left the canoe and our pet turtle to watch over it down there. We're walking up. There's Ben. Yes. This is a waterfall. There's our boat. There you go.
Oh, I got you. Wait, testosterone levels increase. The Crocs are indeed in sport mode.
That's wild. There's just a slab of rock with
little rocks on top of it. No.
Ow.
We did it.
Sure did.
What is there?
I don't know the best way to go up. I can't see it. We've gotten higher. Zach's still way down there. It's a very scary situation. The dogs have come out. They're grippers for real. The canoe, some are way down there. Can't even really see it.
What? Oh, is that a carrot?
Oh. No way.
That's a lot steeper than it looks. My word.
Well, made it even further. This is really high. It's above the third waterfall. It's almost really bad. Pokey. And I walked my foot onto it, but it didn't cut it. My feet are made of steel. I don't know where Zach is. He's way down there. Zach! I found a puddle. I found a puddle.
This is what we found?
This is the puddle.
Oh,
It covers my toes.
let's go.
This is as deep as it gets.
That's pretty cool. Can I step in it?
You can step in it. Wow. Is that worth the hike?
Yep. This is pretty cool. We're really high up.
We are really high up in this.
If it looks like a puddle, it's a rock. If it doesn't look like a puddle, it's not a rock. Oh, is this a rock or a puddle? Does it look like a puddle? Then it's a rock. Oh, it is a rock. That's crazy. Oh. This is our biggest one so far. Nice little puddle.
It's a good puddle.
Welcome back on Puddle Searches with Zach and Ben.
We found a puddle. Good puddle.
We'll be right back after this ad.
Are your dogs ever cold and grimy? Well, we've got a fix for you. You just take a second and dip it in the puddle, take it back out. You just let them warm up. They warm up and they're not grimy anymore. Coming near to a store to you, the Puddle Fixer.
Welcome back on Puddle Finders with Zach and Ben. Here's the puddle. It has leaves in it and it's brown. It goes up to your ankles.
You can't even see my dogs to move. They're down there.
The perfect grimy and cold dog fixer.
The puddle dogs.
Puddle dogs. All you gotta do is come out to this location. If you pay us, we will tell you where it is. Thank you. So the springs, right? Like water comes up from the ground.
Okay, but like why not down there?
So it comes all the way up here just to go back down there. Why?
I don't know. Why does water float
But
in dirt? Why is it floating? Why is it?
It's just coming up.
Why? Gravity pulls down. For it to go to the ocean, where then it goes up into the sky, back down onto the floor, deeper down into the floor, and then back up onto the floor.
Right. Right. Look at it. Dude, there's a nest. Look at that. Seems like a pretty good dangerous place to put a nest. on the ground and next to a puddle. There's a lot of dogs here that are trying to get ungrimied and warm.
It's a really tall tree.
Yeah, it is.
It's like already at the bottom.
Oh, it moved. Finishing off our expedition to the puddle. It was rumored there was a puddle up there, and we found it. We found it. Because we're the puddle finders. We find them puddles.
Terry.
Mm-hmm. You. Look what you did. Look how much mayonnaise this man uses.
I did not
This
use
guy literally
Did not use
likes to eat sandwiches. Wait, no. Oh my goodness, I always mess it up. He likes to eat mayonnaise with sandwiches. It was beautiful. Beautiful. Update. We've just left the waterfall and our beautiful lunch. We are now back on the great river that is known as Lake Holt.
Well. Life vest.
Oh yeah. I'll do it again. Life vest. It's so peaceful. So peaceful out here. There's no disruptions or noises or loud, grimy exhaust. None at all. Look at the rope. Oh my goodness. Where's that go? Mega turtles. Huge turtles. I see them. We're gonna get them. Oh, one of them already jumped off. Two of them already jumped off. Oh my word. There's only one left. We're still going. I can still get them. They can't hide from me. Oh my goodness. That's fun. We caught up on the action way too late on the GoPro, but he came by and honked. Alright.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America, to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, liberty and justice for all. Well, boys, we did it. We made it back. Now we gotta get this junk up, full of trash.
Oh, trash is expected to
Okay. Alright, I'm gonna go pick this thing up. Here we go, boys.
Come on, give it to me.
He charges his drone the whole time in there. Now he killed his battery. There's people right there that would help us, but
Why is it not turning on?
That would be, this is a throttle thing right here. That should be the throttle thing.
I can just throttle it.
Alright, welcome back to the Zach and Ben
This
Cooking
is,
channel.
This is a remake
Mm-hmm.
of our wonderful backpacking show. Okay, we're gonna be making Among Us cookie. I don't know.
Very delicate operation here. Places the main body
Be a big Among Us. Right. Keep it
This
going
may
down.
be a waste of a cookie, especially since these ones are gonna cook a lot slower than that one.
Ooh, you're so right there. Yikes. Wait. What are we making?
Among Us must be fat. You need to think fat Among Us. That's better than your pancake already.
I don't want to hear
We're taking steps. Oh
There's the
wow!
eye.
Oh wow!
It's gonna have that crease though.
Yeah.
You see?
Okay. Mm-hmm. I
Go
can
for the
see.
backpack.
Mm-hmm. He's going for the backpack, everyone.
It's the backpack.
Here we go. Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna go for each individual legs. Actually, no, just one leg.
Keep.
Never mind. Each individual leg.
It looked better. It looked better without that.
Gosh. Wait.
What is that? Oh my.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Oh no. We're gonna. This part wasn't mixed very well.
Returning to the
Oh,
action.
this part was not mixed very well.
Is there some egg in there?
Stop.
It'll be like French toast cookies, you know, with a little egg on the outside.
Yes.
That's what it's like. You already got the cinnamon there. You are mangling his
Stuck.
underneath parts.
It's stuck. Okay.
So you just made it look worse. All right, continue on. These are the hands of a.
I can never remember what Among Us looks like.
Dude, he's just making it worse. He's just making it worse. Oh,
Stuck.
goodness.
That's it. That's it. We'll work. We're gonna a beast. Wait, move your camera. I can't see my artwork.
You don't want to see it, trust me. Let me just put this back for you. But it's still messing with Among Us and just making it worse the whole time.
Look at that. It's better.
It's not bad.
What am I supposed to do with this?
You just
Anyways.
got my hair. We're gonna make a bike to represent mountain biking. You know, our childhood dreams. Let me do this one because I actually know what I'm doing.
That is the worst bike I've ever seen in my
This
life.
I'm about to put this on your stupid.
Mm.
Doesn't even look like an Among Us character.
Mm.
That's what it looks like. Like that.
What is that? Mm.
Oh, now we're.
Oh, we were supposed to put cinnamon powder on
You're right.
it. Okay, here we
All
go.
right.
Oh, Lord.
That's a fat Among Us.
That is Among Us, though. That's better than the pancake.
It is better than pancake. You have improved. I don't know which way's the front and back. To be
Yeah, but
honest.
that's okay. I just realized that. I was like, this could be the glass. Like, if this was...
Like it looks better actually if this was glass.
That's what I did.
Yeah.
That's the goggles.
Yeah.